morning, ladies and gentlemen. We, Team CVG, are here today to present to you our product, the DUSTBUSTERS. Firstly, let's take a look at today's contents.
Okay, so let's see what are we doing today. First off, we are going to talk about our school and followed by our team. We will also discuss the problem statement, the proposed solution of our product, ending on with the sketch and also the making of our product.
If the hallways of SMK Infanticius Convent, Johor Bahru could talk, it would probably tell a tale of three nuns way back in 1925 who came to Johor Bahru with two teachers and began a school. We are from SMK Infanticius Convent, Johor Bahru. Our school is known for its outstanding SPM results and competitive students in curriculum.
Me as Ruchita, Peshanisri and Gayatri. My team members are very committed to the team and at the same time very responsible. We wouldn't have pulled this off without them.
Now, let's talk about our product. Why did we choose this concept? Nowadays, people are living such a hectic life. We are all chasing time for a promising future. Therefore, humans choose not to do their chores as they are too tired after work. Besides that, drying after cleaning is a time-consuming process. One of the common stereotypes is cleaning is deemed as dirty jobs, which results in lack of manpower in restaurants. Therefore, we have decided to bring up the solution to these problems.
The proposed solution for our product is it saves time. Well, we don't need too much time to clean the house as it is all done by the robot. It is also easy to use, just by one click on the button and it is good to go. It also provides efficient cleaning. The robot can clean every corner. This product also helps to save costs as it has affordable price.
This is the sketch of the product, where it has an exterior and interior look. The exterior look of the product is a robot in the shape of cube and a sphere. It is made out of reused cardboard. As for the interior, the 12-volt DC motor is placed in the middle. The Tupperware in this product is used to store water. The mop is placed below the cardboard while there are 4 wheels so that the product can move. Last but not least, the fan that is placed at the back of the cardboard is supported by a battery holder. In order for this DUSTBUSTER to work efficiently, there are a few materials used to make it. Firstly, we use a reused cardboard because a reusing cardboard reduces the need for other materials and it also saves cost. Next, we use a mop for the cleaning part. Besides that, we use a battery holder to hold the battery, connecting wires, and an on and off switch. Moreover, we also use a fan blazer to dry up the wet area fast. We use wheels, chopsticks, a 12-volt DC motor, Tupperware, and some decorations like acrylic paint. The total estimated sum to build our product is 89 ringgit and 50 cents.